Hey guys, welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today we're going to be reviewing Unicorn Slime Shop. I'm so excited to be reviewing Unicorn Slime Shop. I bought 2 slimes from Unicorn Slime Shop and I'm so excited. As always, don't forget to buy some slime from my shop down below. Subscribe, leave a like or dislike. I really don't care. So I really hope you will enjoy the video. Again, don't forget to subscribe down below. And that's all I have to say. But one thing, also, I will be holding a underrated slime shop review on my channel. So my P.O. box is in the description. And don't forget to send some slime from your slime shop or Instagram. You can just send slime. But I will be doing an underrated slime shop review, and we'll be reviewing your slime on my channel if you send it to me in my P.O. box. Let's get on with the slime. Okay, guys, so yes, so this is being covered with slime. I didn't have a marker, but whatever. So he packs his slime in priority mail bubble mailers. I have received a slime before from Joseph. And it wasn't a pink bubble mailer, but that was only for the one slime. I bought one slime before, and it comes in a small pink bubble mailer. And this is what it comes in if you order 2. As soon as I opened the package, it exploded with smells of bubble gum. So this is the stuff when you open the bag. It comes with a borax baggie, some conversation hearts, and 3 starburst thingies. I don't know what they're called, but like they look really good. It also comes with his business card, which is really cute. And I just got my business cards in today, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, so I bought this slime. Oh, it says on the bottom. I bought Red Velvet Oreo and Chanel number 2. This is his bestseller, and I'm most excited for this. Now let's start off with Chanel. This is his bestseller, so I have really high hopes for this. I really love his logo. It's so simple, but I don't know. And the containers seem really sturdy. They seem like the standard Uline Fabrical ones, and he uses some shrink wrap to protect. So I know that he made the slime on a live stream, and then it's made with glue all, and whoa, it's so thick. As soon as you open the slime, it just explodes with bubblegum smells, and it's just, I can't even describe it. It's so nice. It is so thick, which is always a plus with slime. It's super clicky. Like, this is the clickiest slime ever. And this is the glossiest slime that I've ever seen. This is goals, guys. Like, goals. I'm shook. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm done. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. I'm done. It's too good. I'm done. Bye. Just kidding, guys. I'm back. But this slime is so amazing, so clicky, so glossy, and so stretchy too. This is the this is the thickest slime I've ever touched before, and that's coming from someone who's played with Parakeet Slime cereal milk. I'm shocked. Shook-ith. Shook. The Slime Lab is on a stretcher. I'm quaking. It's so good. It also has a lot of bubbles pops. It holds a lot of bubbles. And I just can't. The scent, you don't even want to get me started on it. It's so good. This is overall like my favorite slime ever. slime a 100 out of 10. No. A 1 billion out of 10. It is so good. This is my favorite slime ever. I think I found my slime best friend. Like, oh, so good. I love the color. I love the scent. It is a fresh bubblegum scent. I love it. It's super glossy even after playing with it for like 5 minutes already. It is so thick. One of the thickest slimes that I've ever played with. Thicker than cereal milk. And I've actually played with Parakeet Slime cereal milk. This is thicker. And it holds a lot of bubbles. Super glossy. So clicky. One of the clickiest slimes ever. And yeah, that's my full review. 10 out of 10. Okay, so this next one is called Red Velvet Oreo. And like Joseph's known for his his Oreo slimes, not his Red Velvet Oreo slimes. This is a new slime to his shop. Again, I love his logo. It's so nice. So ooh, this is nice. This is the slime without the base. This is just the amount of beads that are in it. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Just like Oreos. For the black, like, cookie crushed parts, he uses black glitters, which I really like. It smells ridiculous. It smells so good. Don't even get me started. I will talk about this for hours. I just want to eat this, but you can't. It's slime. It's not edible. It is so good. I'm so shook. I don't like jiggly slimes. This is jiggly, but I still love this. It is so good. Like, I can't. I just can't, actually. This is my favorite slime ever. This and Chanel number 2. I'm just shocked. The smell smells so much like mint, like Oreo, and red velvet chocolate. And I love the little crunch that the beads give it. It is sort of jiggly, but I can forgive the jiggle because of how nice the smells. It is ridiculous, guys. Like, I just can't, guys. It's so good. The smell, you know what, guys? I'm done again. I'm done. And, guys, it's so thick, too. Like, sometimes there's jiggle and sometimes it's thick. I don't know how he does it. He is like a slime god. It is so nice, guys. I am in love. And the glitter doesn't even come out. It's like no follow it or no follow. I love it so much, guys. Like, yeah. No. So, my overall review is, like, I'm shook, quaking, doctors, The smell is so ridiculous, so nice, shocked, it's so thick. The glitter does not fall out, and the beads don't fall out either. The scent's so nice. This is such creamy slime, and it's kind of sort of fluffy when you play with it a lot, but it's also so glossy. Like, how do you even do this? Like, Joseph, tell me all your secrets. It also holds a lot of bubbles. So, my full and complete 100% honest review of Unicorn Slime Shop is like 1 million out of 10. I am so shocked. First off, the Chanel slime, so thick, so glossy, so clicky. The scent is blowing my mind. It blows right out of the container as soon as you open it, and you can smell it even before the container's open, which is like crazy. Then we have the red velvet Oreo slime. Don't even get me started on the scent. It is so ridiculously good. It smells just like Oreos and red velvet chocolate, and mind blown. I can't even. I almost quit YouTube because of these slimes. They're so good. So thank you guys for watching my Unicorn Slime Shop review. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, restocks, and recreation slime vids, and some tutorials. And don't forget to buy some slime from my slime shop. I am restocked, and if you want high quality slime for a cheaper price than most other big slime shops, then you'll definitely want to buy from my shop down below. Also, the slimes from Unicorn Slime Shop were about $11. This was $10, I think, and this was $11. But I could be wrong. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, buy some slime from my shop, leave a comment, or just leave a like or dislike. I really don't care. And bye, guys!